In this video, I'm going to be opening up the BLACK+DECKER Reciprocating Saw. This is battery powered, and it's brand new from Amazon. I'm looking forward to opening this up and using it. I'm going to be using this primarily to remove trees from trails, so fallen trees. I got the blade that it comes with is pretty small, so I got longer blades with longer teeth. This is built for cutting tree branches. So that's my purpose. Looking forward to doing that with the kids. We're going to do some trail clearing. Oh, and this is just showing you all the different types of tools that the same battery works for. They call this the Smart Tech technology. And they have a couple dozen different tools. So they want you to just buy this one system, and then it interchanges with all these other types of tools. So that's pretty neat. I also got an extra battery just because I don't want to be out on a trail and then I run out of battery and I have to end the project. So always good to get that. Alright, so it always comes with the instruction manual. This is what the charger looks like. So you will just plug it in, and then clip it onto the end of the battery. And then it has a blinking light that will give status codes of whether it's charged or dead or charging. Here is the battery. So this is, again, that's where it charges or where you connect it into the tool. And here's the reciprocating saw tool itself. It's not too heavy, great size. It has a grip on the end so that you can put another hand here when you're using it. Battery connects on the bottom. And then this is where you mount your blade on the inside right here. I like this brand because they make quality tools, but the price isn't too high. So it's a great entry point tool. If I were going to use this for my career, I probably would get a higher quality, more expensive tool so that I could have more longevity. But for my use, which is going to be pretty basic, and it's not going to be used often, this is perfect for me. All right, well, I hope that was helpful for you.